Hi, my name's James Robinson and a farm here at Strickley, Kendal, South Cumbria, with my family on our organic dairy farm.
I am Martin Hole and I farm here at Montague Farm down in East Sussex on the Pevensey Marshes, along with my wife and my daughter.
We're in Planton Farm in South Shropshire and we are in a higher tier countryside stewardship agreement, with our main area being around wood pasture. What wood pasture is involved is planting of standard trees with hedge varieties around the base to provide some protection as the trees grow up, and then also planting areas of scrubby clumps, so hedge species, but instead of being planted in a row, planted in a clump. And the benefit is about recreation of scrub as part of wood pasture. The benefit for the livestock is more browse, so more for them to eat, more varied diet, higher minerals, shelter and shade, of course. But the benefit to wildlife means there's food sources, shelter, homes, habitat, better soil, mycorrhizal fungi networks, etc., all contributing to a much more diverse area of the farm.
Strickley's been under a stewardship agreement of one sort or another for over 30 years now. And this particular area has been managed with the long-term agreements through HLS and the higher tier scheme for about 20 years. We're just towards the end of that higher tier scheme now. But with these last few schemes, what we've done, we've controlled the birch and willow that was encroaching on the sphagnum mosses behind me, which has been very successful. We've also seen new species come. So a couple of years ago we saw the small pearl border fritillary butterfly, which we'd never seen before at Strickley, so that was great to see. Management of these sort of areas is much more than just shutting the gate and hoping for the best. We've got to see targeted grazing and better management across the whole farm, really, to try and improve these sort of habitats. And it's that whole farm approach that we're aiming for with these schemes as well, targeting many different areas and many different options with the right tailored advice as well to get the best out of the habitats that we've got, that we've potentially got.
We are a family farming business producing grass-only organic beef and cattle on roughly 700 acres. About 3/4 of the farm falls within a wetland of international importance. We've been supported now for 2 generations by the Countryside Stewardship Scheme. It's been a fundamental fulcrum upon which we've been able to increase bird numbers and increase areas of wetland vegetation and increase the basket of biodiversity on the farm. This landscape has absolutely been dependent on this money, and our own farm business has developed in tune with developing the processes of looking after this.